Good morning, dear student. Today we will teach about Frank Hertz experiment. What is Frank Hertz experiment and what is importance of this experiment in quantum mechanics? In first time, Frank Hertz predicted that the level energy level of atoms also are quantized, and by help of this experiment they first time verified this concept. Here experimental setup of Frank Hertz experiment is presented. Here we can see that there is a grid which is used to emit electrons for experiment, and this is a anode which is given positive voltage with respect to this cathode. Because of this structure, electrons are oscillated from cathode to anode by a required voltage, which is here variable. We can vary Va from 0 to a limit of maximum which we required, and there is also a pretty setup was used here which is called collector. The collector collect the electrons coming from cathode to get energy by this potential difference, and this electron passes through this grid is just made of like this, and it is given to positive. Electron passes through these squares and comes to collector, and collector collect the electrons coming from cathode. There is a positive voltage which is approximate to 0.5 volt is given to anode with respect to this collector. Because suppose that we have an electron which is energy 10 electron volt, and if it consume this energy and about to 9.8 electron volt, after that we are interested to stop because it has no large amount of energy. So to stop these electrons we use a reverse potential between anode and collector, so it's stop electron which has no energy. Then there is a experimental setup. In this tube, the Frank Hertz take mercury vapor for experimental setup. Electrons emit from here, they collide to mercury and excited atom of mercury to a required energy levels. After that, emitting energy, mercury atoms comes down, and electrons are capable to give energy a quantized value which may be suppose that yeah here there are the two energy level. These are two energy level. Suppose that the name of first is E1 and second is E2. E1 is 1.5 electron volt and E2 is equal to 4.5 electron volt. Then the difference between them equal to 3 electron volt. Whenever electrons has energy of multiple of 3 electron volts, 3 electrons volt, 6 electrons volt, 9 electrons volt, etc., then it will passes energy to mercury atom, and then it will jump from ground state to this excited state. Otherwise it will never, it may collide with mercury atom but never transfer to energy, because atom of mercury is not capable to absorb the energy, because which is not multiple of 3 electron volt, like integer value 3, 6, 9. Whenever they start this experiment, when they rise up the value of voltage between anode and cathode, as a result of this, energy